launching our fiscal policy later in the week for the years 2012 to 2014, and I can tell you that the balance that we will strike between spending adjustment and tax will be 72% of the adjustment will be on the spending side, 28% will be on the tax side. That balance is vital because we know from international experience that if you seek to solve a fiscal crisis by pushing up taxes, you will fail, you will kill jobs. Our strategy is to keep the tax mix very strongly pro-enterprise. Not only the 12.5% corporate tax, but no increase in income tax, reduce the employer's PRSI at the low rate, the 8.5% rate would be halved, reduce the low rate of VAT, which is there for labour-intensive services that can get people spending in the local economy on home extensions and so on. We have to then make it easier for people to start up businesses. People, you know as well as I do, that the banks are in a situation they are not providing finance to start up or even to businesses needing to grow. We have to break that bottleneck. So we will have, for example, a loan guarantee for small businesses. So banks lending to small businesses will have part of the risk carried by the state. We will have 100 million microfinance for startups so that small companies get the chance to go. We will have promote venture funds and venture trusts. The idea that strong multinational companies could get support, tax support, if they mentor and support financially emerging enterprises. We believe that there are very significant strengths in the Irish economy that we can build upon. Pascal Donoghue, as you know, published a document on the digital gaming sector. There are many other sectors where we have real opportunity, and we will give, through both the tax reliefs and support to research and development, we will give those companies the chance to grow. Exporting is going to be vital. The tragedy of the property bubble years wasn't that it just damaged the banks and the public finances. It also destroyed our cost base, it destroyed it created a lot of red tape, it neglected vital economic infrastructures, it allowed sheltered sectors continue to be sheltered and raise costs, and the consequence, of course, was that export market share dropped for 6 years in a row under the tutorship of both the new leader of Fianna Fáil and other ministers in that department. That has to be reversed. So we will be concentrating on removing bottlenecks and compliance costs that push up costs for small business. And has already described how we will streamline inspection and licensing to make it a more cost efficient. But we will also address this long neglected area of the 500 million excess compliance costs imposed on business. We'll be bringing Forfás into the Department of Enterprise and Employment, making a strong economic planning and development department that has the capacity to put enterprise, job creation absolutely centre stage in economic and social strategy. So Leo, I think, will deal with some of the other key areas.
Thank you very much, Richard.